हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है दिलीप सिंह खरा and this is my YouTube channel DNS. Today's this topic is very important for those students who wants to go in merchant navy. Merchant navy के लिए whoever done the 12th class and all, so this is a gateway for them and this examination is mandatory for those students who is looking their career in captain and engineering side. The university, which is in this India, only the one university, Indian Maritime University. So everybody who had doing their DNS or B.Tech or BSc whatever, he had to get a degree and certificate kind of things. So there are two regulatory bodies. One is DG Shipping and second is IMU CET, IMU Indian Maritime University. So they conduct one examination which is IMU CET examination, which is already declared. So you can see the dates which is very important for this IMU CET is, one is online registration. It's already started from 6th of onwards. And the last date is 24th of April. So you have to remember before that you have to fill the form. If you haven't qualified this IMU CET examination or you haven't filled the form, you can't enter yourself in this profession. Apart from this, very important is your date of examination, which is on 24th of May, which is Sunday, and mostly within a week itself, you will get your result. Like before 31st of May, you will get your IMU CET result. Now here is very important. If you look all the details, it is very important in this. When you click on this, it will take you on the page where you have to go for your filling all the forms and all. Very important, this time they had increased the price and now for the general and OBC it is 1200 rupees and for SC, ST and all it is less than 800 kind of amount which is going to be, you have to pay for this. Now apart from this, very important is there are 8 states which you need to be filled. So very remember, suppose you are from Rajasthan, so just look the state nearby you, fill those all the states in a such a manner so that you can travel also over the night. Because suppose you had filled UP, suppose the Rajasthan person filled second or third option UP itself. So in the UP, if you got it very last, which is near to Bihar, if you got it there, the center, so traveling from here to there will take it 2 to 3 days and again costing and all. So you have to choose according to yourself only. So there you can travel very easily. Suppose you have chosen Haryana, you have chosen Gujarat, you have chosen to Punjab, you have chosen to Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and all. So these are the very near and overnight journey. But you can't choose such state which is very big and to travel from one end to other end it takes around 2 days and all. So there you might have an issue. So this is very important. One more important thing is that there are many doubts students are getting. Suppose who are eligible and who are not eligible. So as per the eligibility criteria, you should be having PCM, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics with 60% and English is 50%. You are eligible to give any examination. You are eligible for IMU CET. IMU CET and then further wherever you are going to be joined, you are eligible. But there is a very important in this. You can't choose a different board. Like this time you have done it from CBSE and next year the 3 subjects you have given from NIUS. Now 2 subjects you have taken from CBSE, 3 subjects from NIUS. So this is not going to be applicable in that. Improvement should be in the same board itself or else you have to choose the new board. Then you are eligible, or in the mixing of the things are not eligible to give this examination. Apart from this, if you are going to be chosen international board, then you need to have ALU certificate, which is also very important. So these are the very important things which I had shared it on that. But still you share this video as much as to the students so they can get the link. This link for this application form you will get in the description. Even I am putting there some phone numbers also. If you want any kind of free counseling regarding the merchant navy, you can call them at any time and get your guidance. Regarding the forms also, regarding this merchant navy career also. So thank you for the watching. Kindly put comments in the comment section so I'll reply it over there. Thank you.